Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my very first power hour. I've never really done a whole hour of cleaning. I've done 30 minutes before, but I figured I had an hour before I had to go pick up my little one from school. So I wanted to see what I could get done. So I was starting off in my office, and this is our master bedroom as well. And I was just really concentrating on this area. So I'm just going to go through, I'm going to stop talking and let you guys watch. I hope this motivates you guys. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new. We would love to have you here at our little family. And hit the thumbs up if you like videos like this. And I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm not sure if you guys can see, but we have a ladder in our bathtub. We are currently doing a little bit of remodeling, and we are going to be doing a whole remodel on our bathroom. So you guys are going to want to stay subscribed so you don't miss that video. Hopefully that will be up and finished in the next month. Fingers crossed. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually got a lot done in an hour. I was pretty proud of myself. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye!